Okay, where's the money go?
Give me
Go on then.
It's two. It's two.
No, yeah, press that.
Oh.
Yay!
Give me it.
No, what do you mean?
I can record when I'm on it.
Huh?
I can record when I'm on it.
Oh yeah, go on then.
This is fun.
Wow! Look at the penguin at the top as well.
It's not a penguin, it's a puffin or a toucan.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Press the brown button, the blue one.
What
What does the blue one do?
What blue one?
This blue one. You go quite fast, didn't you?
Yeah. I don't know what the blue button
There's
does.
sand and rocks in
Yeah, but it's fake sand, but there's a little bit of real sand in there. And me?
Right. Yay! Yeah, you can go on there in a minute. Yay! Right. Oh. Looks like it should be water in here, but they're not throwing at the water.
It's because someone might fall off or something. Right?
Yeah. Oh, Timmy's got money. Where'd you get that money from? Press it again just in case. Okay.